Kepler's third law. Definition of Kepler's third law, the law of harmonies. Kepler's third law stated that the ratio of the squares of the periods to the cubes of their average distances from the Sun is the same for every one of the planets. Amazingly, every planet has the same t squared over r cubed ratio, which is equal to 1. Ellipse: a standard oval form traced by a point traveling in a plane such that the sum of its distance from the 2 points is constant. Foci: the center of the ellipse. The parameters associated with the Kepler's first law. First, semi-minor axis. Second, eccentricity. Third, semi-major axis. Orbital period. The speed is related to the period in a circular orbit. Larger radius orbit means longer period. A larger semi-major axis also gives a longer period. T squared over a cubed is equal to constant. The constant is same for all objects orbiting the Sun. Why satellites remain in orbit? Over 23,000 mph, it leaves Earth's gravity. Second, at 17,000 mph, it will go into orbit. Third, if the satellite is lower than 17,000 mph, it will fall back to the Earth. Satellite will remain in orbit because of: first, velocity; second, gravitational force; third, inertial centrifugal force. Basic launching of satellite: Newton's law of motion. Centripetal force is inward force. Centrifugal inertial force is outward force. The distance traveled in one orbit around the planet is 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the orbit. A is the semi-major axis of the orbital ellipse.